This time I want to show you how to reset service check caution on BMW E60. After brake pads and worn sensor replacement, you need to reset brake pads replacement service check. Insert key in slot. Push rotary toggle button, select service menu. As you can see, there is one active service caution, front brake pads. Caution status is red, it means it is overdue. With toggle button select first line. You will see more info about status of message. Status is overdue in 2700 kilometers. Now let's reset service check. Turn on ignition. Wait until all systems loads up and all messages will be shown on screen. Push and hold toggle knob on your speedometer dashboard until you see service check message icon. By pressing the knob you can go through all service check menu. Active service check icon will be the first one in a list and in red color. Not active service check icons will be in orange color. When you are on service check icon which you want to reset, push and hold button until note reset shows up in lower screen. Push the button again. Then you will see that icon color will change in orange back, and new due date or kilometer value until next maintenance event will show up in lower screen. After few seconds, menu on your speedometer dashboard will come back in board computer menu and red flag in your iDrive service menu will become green. Turn ignition off and remove your key from slot. Put it back and turn ignition on again. If your service check will not show up again, it means reset procedure was successful. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe.